MLS-Touch tips from your Miami trainers. How to add a new contact. On the bottom of the app, select Contact with your thumb, and you're able to add a new consumer by clicking on Add on the top right-hand corner. You have two options. You can create a new contact, or you can import it from your device. Let's do both. Selecting Create New will allow you to add in main information like first name and last name. And you have the option to add emails, phone numbers, addresses, preference in language, job title, company, gender, birthday, transaction anniversary, when they renew their mortgage, additional important dates so that you can follow up with your consumer. Clicking on the Save button on the top right-hand corner will save the contact. Clicking on Cancel. The other option, when clicking on Add, will allow you to import from device. Tap on Import from Device. In this method, you'll have all of the consumers available from your cell phone. You can select who you'd like to add, or the multiple individuals that you'd like to add, and tap on Done. The application will tell you how many you've chosen to import. Tapping on Done will finalize the addition, and they'll be available on your application. Always more with your Miami trainers.